Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Anna, who is my sister. She's been on my channel once before. We did the Bean Boozle challenge, and I'm gonna link that down below, even though I'm like literally 320 pounds in that video. You have to watch it. It's hilarious. So
it's so bad.
Today what we're gonna do, it's actually Christmas Eve right now. It's 5:30 and we're just gonna get ready because we have family coming over. So Anna's here. Yep. She lives in Washington, but she's here now, so we're gonna just do our makeup and talk. So yeah. Also, you guys, I looked up some sister tag questions just for fun, so I could like ask questions and stuff, because obviously it's gonna be boring if we're just sitting here doing nothing.
Yeah, but you want to tell them that I can't do makeup nearly half as good.
Anna doesn't know how to do. Oh my god, what is my hair? Anna can't really do makeup.
Do I look into there or there?
You look into the like. Not don't look at yourself, you know. Even though I always do.
Oh, okay.
I'm using Dior Glow Maximizer. This is not really a tutorial. We're just getting ready. But
I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish as a primer.
TBT.
Wait, I'm gonna come close.
Yeah, like sit closer. Yeah.
Wait a minute, that's my brush.
I know, I'm gonna use it.
No, I'm using my brush. I can't use without my brush. Use your own brush.
Oof. Okay, sit. Anna, I swear. Literally, your fat ass.
You should. Don't say that on camera. Edit that part out. That's not nice.
I'm using the NYX Total Control drops. This is Anna's actually. I used it and I really like it. It's very good.
This is Tina's Fenty Beauty Pro Filter 210.
You're such a YouTuber.
I am. I don't know how it's gonna be, but I think the NYX is making me like break out. Yeah.
I don't know, because if it was, it'd make me break out too, because I have like pretty sensitive skin. It's very yellow though, like super. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna like this for nighttime. Am I?
Why? I don't know. Okay.
Anna, if you get this on my white covers, like,
I did not. But like, why?
Okay, put the cap on.
Wait, I'm gonna put some more in my hand. But why are we putting makeup on your bed?
Because
it's like brown.
Because I don't have a freaking beauty room. Okay, I'm sorry.
What kind of a YouTuber are you?
Seriously, a homeless one. I'm gonna start like with questions while we put on our concealer.
Concealer. Oh, it is yours. I know.
You guys, I'm so out of concealer, but it was on my Christmas list.
Here's the thing. I feel like
put it on while you.
I feel like I wrapped my concealer as Tina's gift, which is a problem, because now I don't have concealer. So
yeah, I don't either, and I put it on my wish list, so hopefully.
So we have to use like this
random like
that's concealer. Not like
this is not my color.
I don't even know.
What is this?
What is that?
Give me some of that one. Maybe if I mix these colors.
Banana powder.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the sister tag questions.
Finally.
Okay, so who's the older one? Anna's older than me.
Yep.
Anna is 1 year and 11 months older than me. She's a Capricorn and I'm a Sagittarius.
Yep.
We're not really into horoscopes. I feel like we don't know much about our horoscopes.
I don't know anything.
I don't know anything. Like I want to know stuff.
I know that I'm stubborn.
Yeah. Zach is also a Capricorn, and so is Anna's husband.
Yeah, my husband and I are both Capricorn.
So everyone's a Capricorn, and then me and my mom are Sages. So, what do you like about your sibling? I don't feel like no.
I don't like anything about you.
In which area are you and your sibling the complete opposite? I'll tell you exactly. I am very creative and Anna's not. Like, I always want to do stuff. I want to have fun. No, it's true. You're not. You never want to do anything.
Yeah. What am I going to do?
This video is going to be so long. Who cares? When we were...
Well, yeah, okay, go ahead.
I'm saying when we were kids, like, I would beg Anna. I'd be like, Anna, please, like, will you come outside, play with me? She never. Never. How often do you argue? Like, every day?
Every day if we talk.
Like, seriously, every day. Well, we don't live together anymore.
I live in Washington State.
Anna lives in a different state, and I live in California with my parents. Yeah, so Anna lives, like, far from me. But the thing is that, like, we still talk on the phone every single day, and we'll still find stuff to argue about. But we definitely don't argue, I feel like, as much as we used to when we were kids. We used to argue a lot. But you know, we've always been very close. Like, even though, wouldn't you agree? Like, we've always argued, but we've always been very close. Because we had no other choice.
Yeah, because, yeah.
Our parents really didn't give us a choice to be...
meanies.
Mean to each other. I mean, Anna was mean to me. I wasn't mean to her.
Oh my god, I was not mean to you.
Seriously? I was never mean to Anna. Well, because I was younger than you, so I couldn't really be mean to you. Because Anna hurt me. Physically and emotionally.
Oh my god.
It's not a lie.
How?
You abused me every day of my life. Okay. Who watches more TV? Me.
I never watch TV.
I watch, so I'm using the Amrezi highlighter. I dug my nail into it. Oh my god, you guys. This highlighter. Yes. It's so good, man. It's like the best highlighter I've ever used. Okay. What is something... No. Let's see. What is your brother or sister really bad at? My sister's really bad at cooking.
I'm not really bad at... my mom and my sister abuse me. If you ask my husband will tell you that I'm a very good cook.
Yeah, because he has no other choice. What is he supposed to do?
Well, he could say your cooking sucks. Go take lessons. I'll pay for it. Go. Plus, why do I look so...
Did you get along when you were younger?
Yeah, I would say.
We did because, like I said, we're so close in age where it's like... Most of Anna's friends were my friends. Like,
yeah.
It was just, that's just how it goes. Because we kind of, I don't know, I feel like there was only probably a couple years there where we really didn't have anything in common. I would say that was when Anna was, like, already in high school and I was still kind of in middle school. But then after that, it was kind of, I don't know.
We always got along because, like, I mean, she's my sister.
Yeah, we've always been really close. And it's been, like, definitely a transition because, like, we don't live together anymore.
Becca Opal. Mini size.
Yeah, Anna got that. Anna loves, getting deals, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do our eyes now. Anna's gonna be using the Naked 3 palette. Also
gonna be using ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in Amaze. And...
I heart this.
Oh. That's cute.
And I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette because I caved and I bought it. But I'm so happy that I did because it's a really nice palette. So, I figured we'll talk about our lives now because I was looking through those tag questions and they're kind of just, like, annoying. So,
like, oh, what's your favorite color? Like, red.
I hate the color red, but I've been wearing it a lot lately. Anyway, so we're going to be talking about, I guess, like, what Anna does, what I'm doing lately. I wanted to update you guys because I haven't been on here in a while.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I haven't been on here in a while. Vlogmas. Vlogmas went awry, you guys. Vlogmas didn't work out exactly the way I wanted it to.
Why?
I'll tell you why, Anna. Because I got a job.
That's true.
I got a job, you guys.
Congratulations.
I finally got a job. It's not full-time. It's not exactly what I'm, like, meant to be doing, but it's a start. I'm happy. And yeah, that's why I haven't been continuing Vlogmas because I wasn't really vlogging while I was at work. I've only been there for like 2 or 3 days. But basically what happened was everything kind of got messed up with my vlogs. I felt like I didn't have enough content, and lately I've decided that I'm gonna only do videos that, like, make me happy and I'm excited to post.
Not what people are wanting to watch.
Exactly, because I feel like, I don't know, man, I'm over it. Like, I just want to sit here and film with my star. I don't know if you guys are gonna enjoy this, but, like, I wanted to do it.
Yeah,
so.
and, like, I don't even know what I'm doing. The thing is, I wanted to do
the thing is, you know, nobody has used the Naked 3 palette since, like, 2009.
Yeah, see?
It's like, you guys remember when the Naked palette was the best thing ever? It sucks now, dude. There's no pigments.
I want to do the nude look.
Where's the pigment, sweetie?
Honey.
I don't see pigment.
There's so much.
It's literally just going away.
But I don't know. Should I do the nude look or the red lipstick look?
Well, if you're gonna do red lipstick, I feel like you should do colors like this. Like, go get like a neutral palette.
This is neutral. Ugh, I don't know anything.
Yeah, so that's kind of like where I've been. I've been kind of busy doing that. And then Anna actually is in school still.
Still in school.
Oh shit, that is Zach. Okay. Yeah, Anna's still in school. Anna, you want to tell them?
Yeah, I study biology. I am a pre-dental student. I'm also a registered dental assistant, but I don't work as a dental assistant because, yeah, I don't know.
Anna is gonna, so my mom is also a dentist, so Anna is kind of following in my mom's footsteps. I never liked dentistry. I don't like mouths at all. Like, I'm very, very disgusted of anything that is in someone's mouth. Like, I don't chew gum. I don't know if you guys know that about me.
Yeah, like, she's weird. She doesn't like gum and stuff.
Yeah,
and
I don't.
Every time I'm like, we go somewhere and I'm like, oh my god, did you see that person's teeth? Whether they were nice or, like, ugly. She's like, what teeth? But, like, the first thing I see is people's teeth.
I hate people's mouths, you guys. I don't know if it's because, like, my whole life I've been so exposed to it all the time where I'm, like, kind of disgusted and sick of it. I don't know what it is, but I hate it.
You're kind of weird.
Yes, okay. Oh, I should have to put under my eye because you do it, so I have to do it too.
Anna, use a smaller brush. How are you going to put that under your eye?
I folded it.
Oh my god.
Watch how it works. Watch.
Anna, can I tell you something? It looks like you have literally no eyeshadow on. Also, one eye has sparkles and the other one doesn't.
Uh-oh. Oh my god, I have so much eyeshadow on. Look. Watch, she's gonna get pissed off and she's gonna put, like...
I'm not gonna touch your face. I'm sick of everyone using me to do their makeup. You guys, I hated...
Oh, glitter! Glitter!
My whole life, I grew up, obviously, with the sister, right? Like... In the beginning, I would copy her when I was younger, but then, like, after a while, it got to the point where it's, like, Anna depends on me for, like, styling her, putting makeup on her. Oh, my God, girl, yes! Yeah. Oh, my God, yes. With those colors, look so good.
So much glitter.
Love those vibes. It's enough, it's enough, it's enough. Use your finger to, like, pat it.
No, if I pat it, it'll go away. If I pat it, it'll go away.
Wait. Wait! Don't touch it.
Oh, my God.
What
did I just tell you guys she's gonna start doing?
Looking
like I still do fraud. Father God,
Anna, I regret my makeup look now.
Oh, do you? So yeah, we're having a bunch of people over at our house for Christmas Eve dinner. Cause we celebrate both days, but like we do Christmas Eve dinner.
We're basically we try to take advantage of every single holiday, okay? We do like... Yes, I'm licking my brush, by the way. We celebrate Armenian Christmas, we celebrate regular Christmas, we celebrate New Year's, we celebrate, like, we do everything, like...
Yeah, which
we do Thanksgiving. Like... Well, that's kind of how it is when you're from, like, a multicultural kind of background, because...
Yeah, and I feel like that's more fun, because, like, you get to have a lot of reasons to eat stuff that you shouldn't be eating on the daily, like 5 pounds of red meat, and, like, you know...
Well, the thing is, like, because my parents weren't born here... They have their holidays, and then, like, we kind of have both American holidays and Armenian holidays. So, I don't know. It's all intertwined. That's the beauty of living.
Tina, did you really
be careful? Yeah, just don't touch it.
But why did you not tell me about this? I could have been all glitter.
Yeah, that would have been good.
Like, that's not gonna be good. Oh, you guys. I also got this. This is a new mascara I've heard of. Bad Gal Benefit Bang. Like, I got it in that... So, basically, I got this teal... This makeup bag. Had a couple of goodies in it. Like, full-size stuff, too. Because when you spend $65 on Ulta, you get... Sometimes you get goodies. And then I got this mascara, and I was, like, pleasantly surprised at how good it was. I was like, oh, my God.
Oh, my God, it's so good. I'm gonna use it today, too.
It's really good.
Okay, use it so I can use it, too.
I am. I'm gonna use it right now. Oh my God,
it's so good.
My eyeliner is literally going to France. Like, what is that? I gotta cut that off.
Hey, you guys, I hate my makeup today. Wow.
So my sister bought me this really good gift. She told me about it because it wasn't gonna come. It says, it's a sweater. It says paleontologist against Ross Geller.
Anna loves Friends. I freaking love... You know what? When I was younger, I watched Friends, right? And, like, I've always liked Friends, but it's not until I kind of got older and, like, my mind matured and I understand, like, the jokes.
It's hard to put on mascara without your mouth open.
And now it's, like, I think Ross is the funniest character on TV.
Oh, definitely.
Like, he's so funny.
You guys, the best part of Friends when he's like, who's going out with who? And then he's like, haha, geologists are nerds. And he's a freaking paleontologist. Like, really, dude?
No, like, honestly, like, I never, like, I liked Friends all the time, but it's like, I don't know, now that I understand the humor a little bit better, it's such a different show, I feel like.
Really, Jennifer Aniston is just...
amazing.
She's amazing. She's amazing now. She'll be amazing forever, and she's just
but
like...
I feel bad for her. I feel like she never really found her happiness.
Well, you know? I hate Brad Pitt. And everybody knows how much I hate Brad Pitt.
I don't hate Brad Pitt. Anna, your lashes are getting clumpy. Hurry, fix it.
Oh.
I don't hate Brad Pitt. I hate Angelina Jolie.
Tina, it takes 2 to tango, honey.
That home wrecker ass bitch.
Angelina Jolie, like, first of all, get a life.
Get away from Brad Pitt, okay? You ruined the home. Anna, this was literally 14 years ago. We need to move on.
A while ago, we knew some guy. I'm not gonna say his name, but whatever. His brother is the owner of Morphe, and when we first found out about Morphe, he was like, "Oh yeah, like my brother and his wife just opened a makeup store. You guys should check it out. It's in Burbank, you know, which is like close by us." So we're like, "Okay, let's go." And now they're this multi-million-dollar company, and like their stuff is so good, and we supported them from day one, and I'm just so happy for them, you know, because that guy was such a nice person.
Yeah,
and
but
like,
Morphe hasn't been everyone's favorite lately.
Tina,
you know
I
what,
have
like,
something to say. Like, this whole YouTube thing, I have to say it. I'm not a part of YouTube. I don't know about all this drama and stuff, but like, everyone's favorite. I don't know, this person pissed off that person.
Look, that's true, but Anna, listen,
Everybody
the
has
reason
their own
why
opinions.
No,
You
listen,
can't-
the reason why people are getting mad at Morphe, and they have a reason to, because listen,
I don't know the reason. I told you, I'm not a part of this community.
People spend their hard-earned money,
Mm-hmm.
and like, you shouldn't lie about stuff. Like the whole Jaclyn Hill thing was like
What happened with that? I don't know. See, I don't know that stuff.
basically, you know, the Vault collection that I got,
Mm-hmm.
like, it sucks.
Oh, yeah.
Like, like, I don't use it, you guys. It's so bad.
I have one too. I don't use it.
But like, I feel like I have to support them.
You don't have to support them. They have billions of other people supporting them. I'm using Sweetheart by Morphe.
I'm using Foolish, but I'm probably gonna add 6 more colors. So
their lip liners, you guys, are some of the best lip liners. They're $3 and they have every color.
and they smell great.
I'm using Sis by MAC. I love this color.
I gave that to you. I got it from Nordstrom Rack.
It's my favorite lip color. Now.
I wonder if I had a YouTube, would you guys watch me?
No. They don't even watch me. Were you asking all 200 of my viewers? I'm kidding. I love you guys. But still, you know what I'm saying? Anna also gave me this. This is another sample she got. It's from Lipstick Queen. It's called Time Warp. You guys, it's such a gorgeous lip gloss. So I'm gonna twirl my lips off. Oh my god. Anna. Okay guys, so here are our final looks. I hope you guys can see. Let me zoom you guys in for a second. So wow. Move your big head.
Oh.
Wow. you just have to pose and like show your makeup.
Check out my earrings. They look like chandeliers.
Guys, so that is it. You guys saw our makeup looks. I hope you enjoy them. I don't really love it, but whatever.
I
Who
love
cares?
it.
It's Christmas Eve. We're gonna go. We're gonna.
I smell the ham, you know.
Yeah, I smell the ham. I smell the meats. We're gonna go. We're gonna drink, have fun, be merry. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas if you celebrate. And this is probably gonna go up like on the 26th or something.
If not, happy holidays.
If not, happy holidays.
Thank you for watching and subscribe to my sister down below.
Please do so. Okay, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.